Okay, today we're out at a place called Kidstopia. It brings the kid out in everybody. I'm 56 years old and I've been through this whole place and it's fun. Now, have you ever seen a 3-story $1 million jungle gym? This is it. Kids love it here. They throw birthday parties here. They have a raging good time. And we did one of the neatest camera systems I've ever seen in this facility. We have 35 cameras strategically located throughout this jungle gym for security and safety of the kids. At any time, the parents in the lobby can watch the big screen televisions and they can see exactly where their kid is at any time. It's fun, it's exciting, it's huge. It's safe. The kids love it here. I really like the design of the system. It's my design, but it was a lot of fun to do. So we've got 35 strategically placed cameras sprinkled around the facilities. This is what they look like. They're a small, vandal-proof, color wide-angle vandal dome that does just a beautiful job. It's small, it's easy, these things take a hit. It's perfect for this application. Often, and most of the times with security cameras, we are trying to protect perimeter and things like that. It's not about safety, it's about security and theft and other things. But this is 100% about safety and fun. But to do that, with the structure of the facility, we use a distributive network. So we took PoE units, power over Ethernet, and we strategically placed 5 of them throughout the facility. And the closest cameras are just pulled to that PoE unit, and the PoE unit sends its data and communication back to the video recorder. I'm not gonna lie to you. That was a lot of fun. But anyway, we really enjoy doing this system because it's light, it's fun, it's not about security, it's about safety and kids having fun. Do you want to know the do's and don'ts of installing security cameras? Do you want to know the secrets that the pros use to install security cameras? Do you want free expert system advice on designing your system? We provide all of that for you, and the only thing you've got to do, right there, subscribe.